Personally, I love working at Mattermost because it's growing so fast, and seeing how not only the product matures, but how the people are growing, how our processes are growing, and what it just really is, it's the early days of something very big.
The trust that we put in people, and I think just the trust and respect they know they have, and the ability for them to get the work done. And so it's a really fun environment. I like to say, we give you a lot of rope, a lot of room to roam.
One of the things that's really special about working here is the community. There's so many people who kind of spend their own free time working to make Mattermost better, and as a product manager we kind of have the chance to talk to these people, see what they're working on and work with them to get it to a point where it can actually be added to the product.
One of the perks actually is you're the owner of your own time. The only thing that you just need to be aware is that other people are depending on you. The things that you're working on are important, not just for Mattermost, but for the whole community and customers.
We're so excited to have thousands of companies around the world using Mattermost, and these are leaders in their industries, which is Intel, which is Micron, McKinsey & Company, Medtronic, Samsung. And not only do we have these amazing companies as users and customers, we have people contributing back from Amazon, SAP, Tesla Motors, Fitbit, whether it's on security research contributions or actual integrations.
Things move pretty fast here, and there's a lot of chance to kind of have a high impact. If there's something important that you want to work on, I think it's something that's pretty easy to get added to the product fast. We do a lot of releases.
To be involved on one of the feature teams and get assigned work, and other people can depend on you getting that work done because someone else's feature depends on some of that work. And there's a high trust in that environment, but there's also a lot of community steps along the way in terms of public code reviews, all that stuff. At least for me personally, makes your code quality go up because oh, there's going to be hundreds of eyeballs probably looking at this code.
It's really neat to work with a global team. It gets kind of interesting sometimes with time zones and where people are, but I think it works out. We kind of have our core meeting hours that you can kind of actually talk to people.
Well, for me at least, it's very important to keep growing all the time. And I find that in Mattermost, it's a place where you can do that.
Being able to work in your own space, to be in a place you're familiar with, to have no commute, that's a huge thing. To be able to sneak away during the day if you want to go watch your kids play soccer or something like that, that's a great thing as well.
We want to build this sort of digital skyscraper that is really just going to echo on, and that's what makes me so excited in 18 months to have hundreds of contributors, to have thousands of companies running us, to have 350,000 downloads, a list of enterprise customers that is among the top companies in the world. That's what makes me so excited to work at Mattermost, is the results that we have because of the community and the people that are behind the project.